Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at it again with another video. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed a video. It's actually been since last week, so almost a week. Yeah, about like 5 days or so. And I am so happy to be back. I did need to take a little break because of the holidays. I did spend it with my family. I also, while on the break, I did a lot of shopping. As you can see in the title of this video, it is I'm gonna call it a mini haul because it's not that big, but I did get a handful of items. So throughout the weeks, about 2 weeks, last week and this week, this past week, so whatever, I've gotten a few things online, so I've been waiting for them and I finally got them. So I'm just gonna go through them and show you guys what I got. And as you can see, today's look is a little extra. We're just doing a little black and white. Yeah, let's get into this video. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and what items are you excited for me to try out, which ones you guys want to see tutorials on. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And last but not least, hit that subscribe button so you're subscribed to my channel. Alright, now let's get into the video. Alright, if you guys don't follow me on all my social medias, which is Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, I'm very active on those platforms. So if you guys don't follow me there, this is why I'm doing this video. I got a few new palettes. Let's start out with one that came out about 2-3 weeks ago, I think, and that is the JSTAR palette, the Alien palette. So I did get this when it first launched, and these are the colors. They are amazing. I have already done a few looks. If you haven't been on my Instagram, I've used the gray, these two, this one, and then this one, and a few of the upper ones here. So I have used a few of these shades and I like this palette. It's gonna go into my collection. The only thing is it is a different shape, so it will take up a lot more space. So but it's just JSTAR, so who cares. So off to the next palette this was a gift to me from my father. The the Morphe and James Charles palette. I originally wasn't going to get it because I am not a huge fan of James Charles, but I do know how to separate the person from the makeup sometimes. So with this palette, I wasn't going to get it originally, but then I was able to use some of my Ulta points and a coupon that I had, and I got this one, and I actually love this palette. It's one of the only versatile, very colorful palettes that I have. I did tape on the names, and you know, this was actually a friend's idea. Her name is Marlo Keenan. I actually got that from her, so you know, gotta give credit where credit is due, and that's a great idea. I would have never thought about it. I would have kept struggling with it falling out of the palette, but this palette is actually amazing. I've used this one today in my eyes, so have this one, and then I've used the pink ones. And do they stain? He did say that they are pressed pigments. Is that what they said? Yeah. And I always use my Urban Decay primer potion, and they came off just fine for me. There's no staining, so if you can, this would be a great palette. And for anybody, starter or beginners. I'm a beginner. I consider myself a beginner, so this is a great palette to play with color, and if you love color. So enough about this palette. The next few palettes have been out for a while now, yeah, they've been out for a while, but I have most of their palette. Well, now I have most of their palettes because it's one of my favorite brands, and it is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I finally got this palette, which is the Norvina palette. It's brand new. I haven't used it, and it still has the I took the brush out. I actually like the brush, but I put it with the rest of my brushes. This is a beautiful palette. I can't wait to use it. I have so many palettes that I have to create looks with, and just not enough time. The next palette that recently came out was the Sultry palette. I originally wasn't going to get this palette because I have used this one for my Thanksgiving look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I did a Thanksgiving look, very neutral, very subtle, nothing so crazy. I created it with this palette, but like I was saying, I wasn't originally gonna get this palette because I said, you know, the same colors are in other palettes, I don't need it. However, I always say that and I end up getting those palettes, especially because I do have the modern Renaissance palette, and you know, you kind of have to have all the palettes, the collection. So I said, why not? And the last palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I got was the Soft Glam palette. These are one of the best palettes. I created another look with this palette. I actually used this on my mom the other day, and I can't wait to continue to use all three palettes. So let me show you all together, if I can hold all of them up at the same time. It's all three of them, and I do have the Modern Renaissance, and it's somewhere in the drawers, but I am missing two that I will eventually pick up down the road sometime. And then those are some of the palettes that I got a few weeks ago, or either a week or two ago. I just got an order that came in today in the mail, which today is Sunday. Monday you guys will be watching this. It's the Juvia's Place Saharian palette. I'm not sure if I'm saying that. They're brand new. I haven't even opened them. Let's open them together. And I also got I think this is the number 2. The Saharian number 2. Boy, this one was already open, so we're gonna open this. It comes well. I'm sorry guys, my voice, it keeps going in and out. I'm trying to fight a cold. So look how beautiful that is. These are my first palettes from them. They were on sale on Ulta, and this is why I got it. These are huge pans. Look how pretty those colors are. Can't wait to use this. I heard great things about this brand. Their pigmentation is amazing. All right, so after struggling to open that box for this palette, and this is what it looks like. The pans are actually smaller in this one. This still has the protector on it, so that's why I'm touching the shades. But these have smaller pan sizes than this other one. Let me show you. The pan sizes, they're a bit different. So this one's a lot bigger than these. I can't wait to use these. I have so many palettes I have to get around to using, so I shouldn't be buying anymore. However, I don't think I bought any more. I don't think so. So before I ramble off, those are all the palettes that I received recently. I will be doing a Black Friday haul later either this week or next week whenever my items arrive. I did do a lot of damage on Black Friday online, so stay tuned for that video. And the other things I got was I needed to restock on my Makeup Revolution concealer, the Conceal and Define. I go through this pretty fast. That is a miracle. I've never gone through a concealer that fast. But I did get a shade lighter, which is C9, and it is the one I am wearing today because the one that I had was C10. It was too close to my skin tone, so C9 works great. I also got a restock on my Makeup Revolution foundation because I'm running out of that one too. And this has been one of my go-to foundations lately, and that's why I'm running out. So I got a restock on that. I am shade F11. And I did get a few things from Beauty Bakery. I got their eyeliner, and let me tell you that this eyeliner is amazing. I am wearing it on my eyes today. It doesn't smudge. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't leak. And I highly recommend this. I think I'm going to go through it really fast. I use it for all my wing liner. This is my go-to. And it's super light. I don't know. I love this. And then also from Beauty Bakery, I picked up 3 of their lippies, which are their matte lip, lip whips? Lip whips, I think is what they're called. And this one is in cranberry stiletto lip whip. That's a struggle. Let me swatch that one for you. And they smell so good. The only thing, I love these shades and I love Beauty Bakery. The only thing is that they are super drying on my lips. Maybe it could be that I have super dry lips on top of that. So I would definitely exfoliate, moisturize, and then put these on. And then the next one is raspberry tiramisu. I'm sorry, I just drew a blank. These are a darker colors. I'm into that lately. And then this lighter shade is Versatile. I think that's what it's called, or that's how you say it. So these are the shades. So this is Versatile, this is Raspberry Tiramisu, and this is Cranberry Stiletto. So Cranberry Stiletto, Raspberry Tiramisu, and Versatile. And they are very drying, so just keep that in mind. And they dry down matte. Alright guys, that is all the new items that I have received or that I have purchased. And like the title said, it's a mini haul. I will have a bigger haul for you guys whenever my Black Friday items come in, so you guys can see all the goodies that I have purchased. And yeah, stay tuned for those that video. Like I said, it might be later this week or next week sometime. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what palette you guys want me to use or review. Let me know in the comments if you guys have these palettes, how should I use them? Just let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And have a great work week or week, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye guys. Actually, what was I gonna say?